Alright, welcome back to Big Pools Down Under, and today we're going to take a second look at the Select UFC Blaster Box. I quite enjoyed the first one. I think these sets look really nice. Hey, you never know, you got to be in it to win it, and I thought let's have another crack. Let's get into it. Alright, here we go, 4 cards per pack. Wish me luck. I want to see these Prizm parallels. Oh, look how easy the plastic packs open up this. Alright, we've got Adrian Yanez. Why is that camera so dark? Anyway. We got Glover. Yep. I've got to learn these names if I'm going to keep opening this. We've got Colby Covington. Alright, so that's one of them octagon side cards. Very nice. I like these. These look really cool. Is this the last card? It is the last card. Wow. Look at that. And new Francis Ngannou. Look how cool they are. I love these things. These are magnificent looking cards. Very nice. So that, what's that mean? He must be a new champion, is he? So he was the new heavyweight champion. That's why it says and new. Alright, very cool, very cool. I like it. Alright, what can we get this time? We got Li Jingliang, and that is Concourse. We've got Sean Brady. I think that's also Concourse, isn't it? Yeah. Concourse. Ooh, what's that? We've got Zhang Wiley. I don't know. What is that? Oh, Mezzanine. There you go, another different one. I like all these different types. And then we got an orange flash prism this time. And this one is Angela Hill. And it is also, it's a concourse. Look at that. They look really good, eh? I love it. I'm sad that AFL's over, but I'm happy now as well because I get to look at some different stuff. Because I like collecting all the different types of cards, not just AFL. Alright, we got Jay Rosenstruck. Hopefully I said that right. Pedro Munhoz. I'm terrible. I think this is worse than me reading Pokemon. Alonzo Menafield. And we got Vivian Arajo. Wow, that looks nice. Look at that. That really pops. And that is a concourse prism. And that, I believe, is like a green purple, maybe? Is it? It's been a while since I opened Select, so I'm still trying to get my marbles on it again. That's very nice. It's a very nice insert. Alright, 3 to go. Can we find something big? Alright, Chow Solomon, Tai Tuzeva. We got Rose Namajunas. Wow, these names, man. And we got Justin, whatchamacallit. Look at that. What kind of one is that one? That is Octagon side. Nice. Alright, 2 to go. 2 to go. Is there something big that we can find? Brock Lesnar. Jeez, look at the size of him. Nikita Krylov. We got Ricky Simon, rookie card. There you go, we got a rookie. And we got another flash. Another orange flash, Amanda Nunes. And that is a concourse. Very nice. Alright, lucky last pack. Gonna get some last pack mojo. Alright, we've got Matt Schnell. We got Mudijari Sue. Michelle Waterson. And what do we got here? Oh, Paddy Pimblett rookie. Is that the blue? I think that's the blue holo. Oh, that's a nice card. Blue. I love seeing his vids online. This is a crack up. Sorry, not a dude. This lad. That's a nice card. Very happy with that. Alright, well, apart from my piss poor name pronunciations, I still like that product. I'll try and touch up a bit on their names a bit, but I'm going to be opening more of that. That was really cool. I love those flash prisms. That last Pimblett rookie, that's a beauty, that is. Alright, if you enjoyed that, leave a like. If you're new around here, please subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.